was really generous with his time. It was always going to be a challenging set of meetings because he's had a complicated life, and the play, when I'm playing him, I have to be playing him from his point of view, but the play itself presents difficult times and challenging times, and he was quite open and frank about what he told me and what I needed to know to make the play legitimate. After playing him and doing a lot of research and spending time with the man, I think when you're acting as someone, as we do in real life, you try and find their positive attributes. And one thing that did stand out to me after talking to him is the resilience of the man. I think after, particularly recently, everything that family had been through, I thought that it was quite remarkable, the resilience to keep going.
And what do you think about him running for the Dáil again? Do you think he has a chance of success, or what he could bring to the table?
Judging by what Gerard said during that campaign, he is connected to that locality, which has been in a cycle of poverty and has been abandoned in many ways for years. And perhaps Gerard represents to them a worthy hand grenade that needs to be thrown into the political system to cause some radical action.